fish on. Just a little guy, but there's some bigger ones in here. We're gonna find them. This one just came up and smoked it. Another one right there. Fire tiger rooster tail. Smacking it. And these fish are just smacking us on the retrieve. Look at him. Look how silly he looks. Look how silly he looks. That's what happens when you get greedy.